friends to our new toy video. Friends, can you see? Wow, we have got so many colorful toys. They are very nice and wonderful. See, this is very nice colorful toys and I am going to show you all of them one by one. So let's drive the first one. The first one is a double-decker bus. Let's drive this. Wow, friends, can you see? This is very nice double-decker bus. It's green and yellow color. Very nice. See, there is a sticker at the back and a super green bus written on this sticker. This is very nice and I think, wow, it can run very fast. Okay? So I like this double-decker very much and now I'm going to drive the next one. Wow, this one is a mountain car. Let's drive this. Wow, friends, very nice mountain car, big wheels and I think you friends like its color. Wow, it's pink and green color and wow, it can run very fast. I think it can ride up high mountain very easily. I think you friends like this. So let's see what is next. Wow, friends, see, this one is a three-wheeler. Let's drive this. Wow, friends, see, this three-wheeler is very nice and wow, just nice sound. It can run very fast with its three-wheel and see the color, very nice color, yellow and white, a rose photo on top of it. And see, there are seats for the passengers inside the three-wheeler. I like this one very much and now I'm going to get the next one. Wow, this one is a Tarzan car. Let's drive this. Wow, friends, see the color. Wow, this is very nice yellow and pink color. It has four wheels and it can run very fast. Oh, this is very nice sound. I think you friends like this very much. This is speed Tarzan car And I think you friends will also like the next one. This one is a cartoon car. This is very nice looking, and let's see how it runs. Okay. Wow, I parked this cartoon car behind this racing car, and this is very nice color, very cool. Yellow and green color for big wheels, and see the magic. Wow, I think you friends like this cartoon car. See, it has two eyes, and this cartoon car is looking at us. Very funny. I think you friends like this one very much. So let's see what is the next. Wow, this one is a school bus. See, let's drive this one. Wow, friends, see, this school bus can run very fast. Friends, this is very nice and cool. Black, red and blue color combination. This school bus is very nice looking. See, it has a number plate in front of this, and okay, see, it has four wheels. I like this school bus very much. So we have completed driving all these vehicles. They are very colorful and nice. I hope you friends like this, and see you in the next video.